My name is 𝘮𝘰𝘰𝘥 from Trinity Sales and Manufacturing. Committed to Hytera for so many years has been a good process. It has been a good walk. It has been challenging at times to get solutions done for our customers. But we've come to the party and Hytera has been a good partner to work with. Being part of the global partner network means that we have so many people with so many ideas to have our questions and solutions met for our customers. That is very important. They give good training and questions can be met and answers can be given on those trainings which our people go on. And with the amount of products that Hytera have, it's easy to meet most communication issues that we have in the market and make a success out of it. And we're hoping that Hytera have a few answers in the not too distant future that make this vision come to pass and make a success for us with the Hytera global partner as partners.